My area of research is in optical materials for laser applications. These materials have what it's called nonlinear optical properties. What that means is that, for instance, if you shine a laser through this material, it changes the color of the laser. So what we want to do is to structure this material in such a way that you can not only change the color of the laser, you can change it to any color you want, and you can also steer the direction in which the new color comes out, for instance. There are two things that we need to address. One are all the physical properties, how to deal with them, to understand exactly how the process of creating these 300 nanometers work. And this is one of the challenges. The other is the technological implementation. So once we understand all this, how do we in fact make it happen? What made me choose this area of research is that it's a bit of a combination between optics and material physics, although I'm much more in material physics, and I love being in the lab, and this part of or the type of research I do is extremely experimental, so I get to be in the lab quite a lot, and I think it's so much fun.
By building structures of nanoscopic size, it will be possible to develop completely new materials. The team has already shown that it is possible, and if they are successful in their continuing research, the results could be used in many areas and applications, such as compact lasers with outstanding precision, more sensitive optical sensors, and filters to measure, for example, air quality or biocells.
The 20th century was the century of the electron. Now it's going to be the century of the photon, and that photonics is an enabling technology, so that a lot of things that have been working with electricity will now be working with light. So I think that our research is just a small contribution to this getting forward in technology. I like to play. I would like to be playing all day long. So I think that this is what, in fact, made that I decided that I wanted to be in research, because I like this playing around, and now I try this, and oh, look what happens here. And so this is, I think, the main source of motivation and inspiration, to be able to keep playing around and, in fact, come to some cool and fine result. Well, the support from the Swedish Foundation for Strategic Research means the world to me, because it gives me the opportunity to get a stability now, economical stability, and to have 5 years to really focus on that research without having to worry too much about the money. It gives me the means to employ PhD students, so we will have, I think, higher chances to succeed.